Hello, YouTubers, all you wonderful people out there. Hope you enjoyed the election. That was kind of fun, wasn't it? Here's the latest in my DIY kitchen table machine shop machines. It's a little half-inch by 18-inch belt sander made entirely out of scrap materials, things I had laying around, things I saved. Never throw anything away, right? What you got here is a 997 DC motor, brush DC motor. For those that don't know, I'm having trouble talking today. For those that don't know, you can go to a 555, 575 motor. You can go to a 775. You can go to a 8 something. You can go to a 9 something. It all depends on the voltage and the torque you want. 997 is one of the higher ones. It has a main wheel here that was off of a 1960s Black & Decker belt sander that it burned up. The motor finally gave out. And the only modification I had to do was I had to make a little coupler like this. This is for a 10 millimeter, so that I could put the wheel on. Basically, it's an axle bolt like this or like this. You can drill a hole in it and mount it on the motor. The 997 has a 1/4 inch shaft or 6.3 millimeter, however you want to look at it. The top wheel is from a treadmill, one of the little wheels that you roll it around on, tip it up on. Got a small 3/8 bolt here with some bushings to position the wheel properly. Aluminum plate here, 1/4 inch aluminum plate, some steel scrap. Basically, it's built out of scrap, built out of junk I had laying around. Show you how well it works here. Made a little power supply and speed control out of a small PWM. Just my camera base here. And I got a new 12-volt power supply. Rather expensive one. Little power source. PC40. It's 40 amp. Got it for $10 at a recycling center. So I looked out there. Anyway, let's see how it works. I'd say that works pretty good. So, the only thing you might need is a lathe for is this coupler. Other than that, you can pretty much build this out of everyday tools. Drill press, saw, sander, wrenches, things like that. Not real difficult to build. Hope this gives you some ideas. Things you can make, small machines you can make, and you can have yourself a little machine shop on your kitchen table. Y'all have a good day. Bye.